Question number 2 of exercise 13.3. The question is, a bag contains 4 red and 4 black balls. Another bag contains 2 red and 6 black balls. One of the two bags is selected at random and a ball is drawn from the bag which is found to be red. Find the probability that the ball is drawn from the first bag. Okay. Now to solve this question, first of all, we understand what is being done in this whole question which is given to us. So we have two bags and we assume that this is the first bag and it contains 4 red and 4 black balls, and we have the second bag which contains 2 red and 6 black balls. Okay. Now what is being done? One of the two bags is selected at random and a ball is drawn. Okay, so first of all, we are going to randomly select bag 1 or bag 2. Okay, and the ball is being drawn. Okay, it can be red or it can be a black ball. Okay, but it is given to us that the ball which is drawn is found to be red. This is the condition given to us. Now what we have to find? We have to find the probability that the red ball is drawn from the first bag. Okay, in other words, this also means that the ball is drawn from the first bag given that the red ball was drawn. Okay, now to solve further, we assume that E1 be the event of choosing the bag 1, E2 be the event of choosing the bag 2, and A be the event of drawing a red ball. Okay, then we can easily write probability of E1 as equal to 1 by 2 because there are two bags and out of which one bag is selected, that is bag 1 is being selected. So probability of E1 would be equal to 1 by 2, and similarly probability of E2, that is probability of selecting the bag 2, would be equal to 1 by 2. Further, we can also write probability of A given E1 is equal to probability of drawing a red ball from the bag 1. Okay, so simply this means that probability of A given E1 actually means that we are simply drawing a ball from the bag 1 given that the bag 1 is being selected. So we have total number of balls equal to 8 and 4 red balls are there. So 4 favorable outcomes are there. So probability of A given E1 would be equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, probability of A given E2, that is the probability of drawing a red ball from the bag 2, would be equal to 2 upon 8. Total number of balls are 8 and total number of the red balls in the bag are equal to 2. So 2 upon 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, now what do we require? We require probability of E1 given A. Okay, that is a probability that the first probability that the ball is drawn from the first bag given that the ball which is drawn is red in color. Okay, so we have defined these events in such a manner because we are going to solve this question by Bayes theorem, and Bayes theorem states that the probability of E1 given A is equal to probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 upon probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A given E2. Okay, so we have calculated all the required values and we have to just place in this formula to get the answer. So probability of E1 is 1 by 2, probability of E1 is 1 by 2 is placed here. Probability of A given E1 would be equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is placed here. And probability of A given E2 is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is placed here. So we have just substituted the values of all the things which we have calculated. And on simplifying, I'm going to get this as 1 upon 4 whole upon 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8, or 1 upon 4 whole upon 3 upon 8, or 2 upon 3, which is the required answer. So probability of E1 given A is equal to 2 by 3. This is my required answer. Friends, thanks for watching my video. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest updates, subscribe and like the videos on these channels on YouTube, HSK Shiksha and Math Help by HSK. Thank you.